this video, I'll walk through the process of using AutoDS for Shopify. Here's a summary of the steps. First, sign up for AutoDS. Normally, there's a 14-day trial for $1. Choose your preferred plan, based on your needs. The Starter 500 plan is a good choice for beginners, providing basic automation features. Ensure you have a Shopify store. If not, sign up. In AutoDS, add your Shopify store by signing in and installing the necessary app. Browse to the AutoDS marketplace, which includes various products you can sell. Filter by location for fast shipping products, and by category to maintain a branded store. Select products to import into your store. You can optimize the product titles and description. Besides the marketplace, you can import products from suppliers, like Amazon and AliExpress. Copy the product link, paste it into AutoDS, and optimize the listing. After adding products, customize your Shopify store with a theme that suits your brand. Adjust the settings, such as payment methods, to offer customers a seamless shopping experience. AutoDS automates order fulfillment, making the process efficient. You can use the dashboard to monitor orders, profits, revenue, and new product additions. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.